Judge, Mr. Garcia is a valid felony offender of special concern.
Judge, I'm not seeing that he's on probation. Give me a moment.
It looks like he's on probation in case F247943.
He just got one count.
I don't see what doesn't have the case.
Yeah, you just have this judge.
Yes.
I think. Judge, excuse me, on this one, he only has one count. So you could take off the other one, and just put your initials, you only got one count. Please. Thank you.
All right, so Mr. Candelario Garcia.
Defense stands mute as to PC, Your Honor. I'd be requesting 2,500 count 1, 2,500 count 2, and 500 count 3.
Date.
Yes, Your Honor, that's fine.
All right, so 2,500 on count 1, 2,500 on count 2, and what'd she say on count 3? 500 count 3.
With the whole judge?
You said he's got a probation hold?
F247943.
All right. All right, probation hold. Good luck to you, sir. Is this Reginald Florinord?
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, Your Honor, and I do have a PC argument when you're ready.
Okay, give me a moment then. Let's see. He's charged with controlled substance and loitering and prowling. Operating a 2-man unit. Yeah. All right, argument as to probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor, I don't see PC for either of these charges. For count 2, sitting in a parked vehicle is not loitering or prowling. They say it's at a residence. Again, sitting in a parked vehicle at an apartment complex or wherever this may be is not loitering and prowling at all. As to count 1, everything in regards to the drugs, or almost everything, is associated with the passenger of this case. This is a jointly occupied vehicle. The only thing that they associate with Mr. Florinord is the orange baggie of plus or minus 0.5 grams of MDMA. They don't say where that is. They say that's within his reach. That could be the center console. That could be sitting on the passenger seat. They don't specify where that is. They don't say it's like underneath the driver's seat. They don't say it's on the seat at all, near the wheel, anything like that. That is a conclusory statement. There's nothing within these 4 corners of the A form to show that Mr. Florinord was in possession or at all.
State.
Aaron Spray on behalf of the state, considering these two are in such close proximity, their seat, one's actively rolling.
Again, Your Honor, it's a jointly occupied vehicle. That's not enough for actual or constructive possession.
Well, it could be constructive possession. I'll find probable cause as to count one.
And as for the loitering, it's unclear whether they're at their own residence or at somebody else's residence.
Find no PC for the loitering. They don't seem to explore that. Unless I didn't read it. That they were noticed to the vehicle because of the smell coming out of it, not necessarily the location of where it was at. They're backed into a residential parking space. All right, so
Your Honor, I'd ask for 1,000 on count 1 and release outright on count 2.
Fade any objection? Let's see what's
So it's standard bond has to count one.
look at his priors. What's this one? All right, I'll reduce count 1 to 1,000. Release on count 2.
This is Campbell.
Does Mr. No. Mr. Florinord, Reginald Florinord. All right, good luck to you, sir. Yeah, whispering, always whispering.
I'm sorry. We're not the regular places. This is on Garcia. Was there a sticky showing that he was out on bond because that showed that he is out on bond? Because I need them no stickies there.
No, there's no stickies here. Which one of these cases?
Let me see.
Candelario
This one
Garcia.
or this one? Hold on for a second, there.
Okay, yeah.
I got a bunch of.
Okay, let me just put them back on for me.
Oh, I'm sorry. They're just getting. Hold on for a second. They were saying I was undoing all their hard work all day, all morning long.
Hey, John, we gotta figure out.
Okay.
You ain't put no stick in these things. I'm like, yeah.
All right, let's give her a moment.
Okay, you can go ahead, Judge. I got.
Okay, I apologize.
That's okay.
I was just like, why? I got some more stickies here, but
Let's see. Let's see those. Okay.
okay. We're back. Javier Camprilo. All right.
State's requesting the standard bond, Your Honor, and the stay order.
Any argument for a PC from the defense?
No, I stand mute as to PC, Your Honor. Given the lack of priors, I'd ask for pretrial services, alternate standard bond. And he does have somewhere else to stay, Your Honor.
All right, yeah, pretrial is not willing to take him. All right, so that's the count
Then I
one.
ask for standard bond of 2,500, count 1, and 5,000, count 2.
All right, so ordered. All right, good luck to you, sir.
Stay away, Judge.
All right, a stay away order from the victim. Is this it's because they were in a relationship. If you are able to make a bond, there's additional conditions of release that I must go over with you now. If you are released, and this case is still pending, you cannot engage in any criminal activity. You cannot use or possess any illegal drugs. You cannot use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearm, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permit to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court. The defendant is prohibited from having any contact, direct or indirect, with the victim in this case. including contact in person, in writing, by telephone, through social media, or any other electronic means, or through a third person. You must stay away at least 500 feet away from the victim, her home, her place of employment, and her school if she's in school at all times. Doesn't appear that they were cohabitating together. So these are the additional conditions of bond. If you're able to bond out, sir, and they'll be there unless modified by the court or otherwise the disposition of your case. All right. Again, good luck to you.
Judge, may we call a case out of turn on Zoom?
Which case is that, counsel?
I have a Ricardo Tufaro.
Madam Clerk, do we know where that's? Ricardo. Okay, I got it right here.
Number 32 on page 12.
Right. Corrections, can you pull him out or?
He's coming up, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, no problem. I just want to find this. All right, so your attorney is present, I guess on this Zoom. I don't know if you're able to see him from where you're at. But you were charged with is that battery, resisting with violence, and trespass. Let's see. Ricardo Tufaro. On Saturday was dispatched. The Uber passenger refusing to exit the vehicle.